You've been brainwashed to think that you have to work. I haven't worked for over 8 years now, and I can't believe that this option was never told by me in school. Today I'm going to share how you can stop working and start living. For years I chased prestige. I thought if I could get a job at Google or hustle, I'd finally feel successful. But even when I got that dream job at Google, got a successful job, I felt empty, disconnected. Like I was performing a life that wasn't really mine. Working to fulfill someone else's dream made me so unfulfilled. I remember being on my bed and eating chocolate ice cream, being so sad over my job that I still hadn't been able to make it work, leaving the corporate world. But on that day I decided, you know what, I'm just gonna stop having a job. And I booked a one-way ticket to Southeast Asia. I attended the Nomad Summit in Chiang Mai to get inspiration for people who had left the corporate world, going after their own dreams. And ever since that time where I ate my ice cream 8 years ago, I have not had a job. So how do you then make a living without a job? There are 5 things you need to know to achieve this, so I hope you are taking notes. Number 1 is your passion is not a hobby, it's your guidance system. The thing that you can talk about for hours, the things that light you up, those are breadcrumbs. Your passion is your soul saying, this is where my impact lives. So for me, that is purpose work, spirituality. I love this stuff. For you, it might be singing, traveling, cooking. Look at your bookshelves. What do you read about? The second thing you need to know to never work again is passion creates energy, and energy is what people pay for. When your passion is your work, it no longer feels like work. Trust me, I used to wake up when I had a job and absolutely dreading work days. But now I wake up and I'm actually excited to work because creating videos for you guys, do not feel like work. And when people tell me the reason why they joined Nomad Freedom Academy, my program, is because they loved my energy. It was like contagious. And this energy is what will light your clients up as well, what will attract your dream clients. I did not have this passionate energy when I was in my 9-to-5 jobs. The third thing that you need to know if you want to never work again is you can turn almost any passion into a business. Let's say that you love the piano. So you can make YouTube videos on how to play the piano, different songs. You can create a simple course on how to play your first 10 songs, recommend your favorite guitar or amp with affiliate links, do live stream sessions where viewers donate, teach online lessons through Zoom. And that is multiple streams of income from just one hobby. Something that you would happily talk about all day. In fact, your partner or your family, your friends might be completely sick of hearing you talk about these things. But now you have an audience who thirst for you talking about these things. Number 4, your purpose is connected to the people you're meant to help. I read many books about past life regression hypnosis, and what it kept saying was that your purpose was decided pre-birth and that you have soul contracts with the people that you are meant to help. So you never have to worry about not being expert enough or that there are too many people already in your niche. That just means that it's a good niche with lots of people, lots of interest. You want that. Think of it like a radio. Some people will be attracted to your specific frequency, your specific experience and soul. The 5th thing you need to know to never work again is that when passion meets service, work stops feeling like work. When I work, I don't really get drained anymore. Sure, it's good to take breaks, but it's not like that exhaustion that I used to feel at the end of my work days in my job. When you follow your passion, you enter flow. And that flow state leads to mastery, and mastery leads to abundance. I used to do the bare minimum in the jobs that I had, but now it's almost addicting. Like I need to hold myself back so I don't work too much because it's just so much fun. And if you're not sure what your purpose is, then I have a free guide in the description on how to find your purpose in 5 simple steps. Tell me one thing that you are passionate about. And next up, watch my video, Best Business Models for Spiritual People, on how to put this in action. Love you and see you in the next video.